Welcome to MTS Technik workshop. My name is Kacper, and in this video we will talk about our lowering kits in 3 variants. Each kit consists of yellow MTS Technik performance shock absorbers with increased damping force and a set of lowering springs. The lowering springs are available in 3 variants: MTS Technik, Eibach Pro-Kit and Eibach Sportline. The MTS Technik lowering springs, with their distinctive red color, cover a wide variety of applications and lowering options. Some kits are also available with TÜV certification. This is a reliable and affordable solution. The black Eibach Pro-Kit springs offer a lowering of up to 40 mm, and the red Sportline springs, also by Eibach, offer the lowering of up to 50 mm. Compared to Pro-Kit springs, they offer sportier handling, more dynamic appearance, and in some cases, a progressive compression characteristic. All kits with Eibach Pro-Kit springs and Eibach Sportline springs are available with TÜV and ABE certificates. This dynamically growing product range covers over 10,000 applications. Thanks for attention.